Superlative version or synonym of versatile. I'm looking for comparative/superlative versions of versatile, synonyms which should mean more versatile and extremely versatile. Here's the background. Over on meta.so, I've proposed a new 3-tiered badge for users who have high rep across multiple SE sites. At bronze, I'd call it versatile. Can't think of titles for silver and gold. I only have multifaceted and all-rounder right now. Any other suggestions?
Polymath. Sage. Da Vinci. Renaissance Man, person. Homo universalis. Swiss Army knife. Protean.
Beyond inventing a word like a versatilitudinous, the best ideas I can come up with are multi-talented, well-rounded, and jack of all trades.
Some synonyms: positive, comparative or superlative, and related nouns. Well-rounded, multifaceted, multi-talented, resourceful. Jack of many trades, possibly bronze/silver. Master of many trades, possibly gold. Handy.
Jack of all trades could be a good bronze. Like many bronze badges, it's not an unqualified compliment. It has the desired connotation of good at a lot of things, but the implicit and master of none keeps open the motivation to push on to the silver or gold.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.